Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host P5, aka P the Hard Way, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what we do. Let's not waste any time. I've wasted about 2 weeks. You ain't seen me. I'm gonna go around, come back, and we're gonna get into it. Let's do it. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, he's back. You already know how we do. What's good, gang? Let me give you the little close-up, you know, little twirlage. Yeah, we do. Little twirlage, little close-up. And yeah, alright guys, today your boy, the Fireboy, has this beautiful, one of my favourite materials, Stone Island Mussola Gommata. And I want to call it a David Beckham biker jacket. It's not David Beckham, but it is a biker jacket. You see the colour. Anyway guys, let's get into it. Where are we going to start? You know where we start. We start at the left. Here's my lovely torso right here. You know what I'm saying? Right there. And the jacket comes literally on my waist. I think this might be maybe the first or second jacket that comes right on my waist, as you can see there. We'll get into that some more. Let's look at the old coffages. Come on. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, let me just show you what we've got here. We've got these nice ribbed inside sort of cuff bit right there, and then of course you've got the outside bit right there, you see. So you got a nice little huggy bit right there, which is nice and ribbed in that blackness right there. Excuse the shadow, it's very sunny for once. And then of course the material, say, beautiful thing. So there you go, nice bit of rummage there. That's not the cuffage bit, it's right in there. You got a double finger, pardon me, you got a double finger in there so you can see, boom. And the same on the other side. Really beautiful, guys. This is in a sort of military khaki, greeny, browny, beautiful color. Let's go to the zip. I'm just going to zip up so we can see Wagwan. Once again, we zip up, boom. You've got that nice cotton canvas pull right there. Sorry, that nice canvas zip pull right there. Very, very nice. All right, let's zip up. So when you zip up, this goes to the base of the neck, as you can see, not the roof of the neck, the base of the neck right there. Very nice. And of course we might as well look into what comes there. What does that even mean? There's a button right there which allows you to button up, and like I said, you've got that nice motorcycle jacket feel. Very nice, giving you that lovely non-collarish feel. As you can see, no collar. Or does this consist as a collar? I'm not really sure. Anywho, cool. Now let's look at, what do we have here? Like I said, you got this beautiful color right there. Really goes. Let's look at some pockets. So left hand side, right hand side. Let me step back a little bit. You got a pocket which is closed by a zip. Again, you got that nice little canvas pull right there. Nice little canvas pull, very sexy. And of course, equilibrium's a beautiful thing. So you got both on the other side, or you've got one on the other side. Jeez, am I rusty? I think I'm rusty. You got one on the other side. Now, if you go left hand side, right hand side, as the eagle eye amongst you would have noticed, you've got two beautiful pockets on the chest piece, and I'm just going to open those pockets up. 1 and 2. Boom. You put your hand in here. Oh, couple coins of gold, couple coins of silver. What you're not gonna do is put your new speedboat that you just won off Bullseye. Here's what you could have won, a speedboat, and you actually won it, and you're like, how do I get home? Am I going to put it in my pockets? Well, these won't be the pockets for it. As you can see, they're the nice envelope flat pockets, and they are fastened down with the old clip rivets. Now, again, you won't put your Bullseye speedboat in there. For those of you who are old enough to remember, salut. For those of you who are too young to remember, go check it out. Legend, Jim Bowen, shout out. Little segue there. Who knew we'd get here? Not me. Anyway, now again, look at this. You're looking, you're thinking, hey P, you ain't gone for the zipper bits of the pocket. Well, I'm about to do that now. Zip, and again, zip. Now we put our hands in. Ooh, nice. What's in here? We have some cashish, bit of cashish in there. Does people still use cash? I do. And of course we have some boutons, some buttons. I don't know what French for button is, but I'm gonna say bouton. All right. Now you can't put anything, like I tell you what can go in these pockets: a bit of cash and a bit of bouton. That's it. You're not going to put even your silver coins in there. And the same on the other side. Equilibrium, c'est une belle thing. And yeah, nothing's going in here. I didn't mention what you could put in here. And you know what you could put in here because you've watched me long enough, and you can put your hands in your skyrocket as you're walking down the street. That's all you could put in here. You wouldn't put anything else, because if you did, you'd start to, you know, overbulk it, and to be honest, it would not fit. Now the pockets are quite, they are layered with the same material. Actually, sorry, that's a faux pas. They are sort of this softer kind of maybe cotton or nylon material, so it's soft on the hands. Very, very nice. Okay, of course you have the beautiful standard badge, which we love for what it is. Nice and standard, not special, not a ghost, and not a shadow project, just a normal badge, and not a green edge. A lovely, lovely badge. Okay, sweet. Now what else do we have? I'm going to take it off and we'll have a gander, shall we? We'll have a Mussola gander. Did that work? I don't even know. I want to say it worked. So let me show you right here. Of course you have the badge there. I'm hoping we're picking this up. Mussola Gommata, like I said, one of my favorite materials. I got a shadow project piece in this material, and ever since then I'm like, oh my god, look at that silky, what do I want to call this, silky sort of padded lining. That's the one, a silky padded lining. Of course you've got your Stone Island neck label there with some numbers, and you have a lovely Stone Island pocket right there, and in there again you might put a dog and bone. You're not going to put nothing else, just your little dog and bone. Of course you've got your spare badge holder, which we always love, you got your labels, etc, etc. This is measuring as a large. You've got some nice little brass bronzy colored rivets right there. Yeah, very, very nice. Let me see what else. I'll just give you a little look at that, at the neckline. Really nice. And can you get a feel for the material? Very smooth, very soft, just lovely. Remember I said I had when I was doing the plurimus, I said, oh, it feels like a Mussola Gommata. Well, yeah, this is what Mussola Gommata feels like. This is your perfect sort of summer spring jacket, where it's a bit chilly still, but but you want a little bit of layer, but you don't want to go over bulky. Or even if it's a nice day and you're not like me who gets too hot too quick, you could rock this. You have these nice sort of like wind flaps there, just going down a bit Michael Jackson with the jacket right there, you know what I'm saying? Like the Michael Jackson jacket with all them zippers. Yeah, anyway. So yeah, really, really dope. Of course you can see the body has some nice paneling, like so. Little panels there, as you can see, going across. Really, really fly. All right guys, well, this is a Mussola Gommata, like I said, David Beckham motorcycle jacket. It's not a David Beckham, but you know what I'm saying. He's always cool, and he's been in these kind of jackets, you know, normally a Bell stuff. But anyway, let me give you the perlage, let me give you the step backage so you can see what's good. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up. And yeah guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what it is. I'm your host P Fire, aka P equals MC squared. You know that. And yeah, this has been a Stone Island Mussola Gommata jacket. And guys, I hope you've enjoyed it, man. It's been a while, but I'm not going to leave it so long. I don't apologize unless I've done something wrong, so just take it that I've been thinking about you all. Anyway guys, you're dope, you're fly, you're sweet, you're lovely, you're all of the above, as am I. Haha. So guys, you know what to do. Leave your comments down below. I'm a bit rusty, so you know, if I'm going 100 miles an hour, c'est la vie mon amis. Guys, leave your comments down below. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe and share. And guys, as always, look after yourself, stay dope. We're gonna have a lot of good content this year, and you guys are of course gonna be the beneficiaries. All right people, stay dope. Mad love, peace.